What's happening, HEXO traders and investors? It's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth. Today is Monday, January 17th, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing HEXO Corp and an update regarding their CPG partner. We're going to talk, is there a deal or no deal? And before we jump in, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, all that stuff. And just as a heads up, I'm at the Bitcoin Miami conference here, and as you can see, we've got booths behind me and the music. I apologize for the background noise, but we're going to go through this video as quickly as possible here today. But I did have an update with regards to the CPG partner, and there's been some speculation recently with regards to a forum that was on Stockhouse. So essentially they were saying that the deal was still signed. So HEXO Investor Relations responded to that individual on Stockhouse, but they essentially just created a post and copy and pasted the response. So I actually took the time to email HEXO directly, and here's the screenshot of that reply. So essentially I just emailed them that this is a concern that we've had in the community. And she said, Jennifer Smith, the Director of Investor Relations, said, "Hello, Rodney, thanks for reaching out. I've seen some of your work, and yes, HEXO does have a Fortune 200 partner. We are currently working on the product line, and we are looking forward to the launch. We cannot share information at this time on the name of the partner or the products, or when those products will be available in store. So we look forward to sharing more updates on that soon." So one thing I noticed was available in store. I'm really interested to see whether or not it's going to be in cannabis retail locations. If this is going to be a CBD product, it's entirely possible that it may even be in grocery stores, right? If it's a functional food type of product that we know it likely is going to be, and it's CBD, we'll see how the rollout is going to take place. But as we know, in the US, we have the trust partnership with Molson Coors, and they have the distribution through I think about 95% of all of the alcohol stores in Colorado, and they're expanding now into about 17 states. So there's lots to look forward to. And one thing I wanted to highlight as well, going to keep this video extremely short, like I said, at the Bitcoin Miami 2022 conference. My battery's about to die here on my computer as well, but go check out the new corporate presentation as well from HEXO. It just came out. I was a little bit underwhelmed, to be honest, with this. I was expecting a little bit more. I thought that because we saw the delay in this presentation, it was supposed to be released with the Q1 earnings that came out in mid-December. It was a bit of a delay. I thought maybe that we may have saw a new product line or something like that from that CPG partner in there. But I think that the reason why, if you look through this presentation, it is a little bit black and white. It seems pretty vanilla. And it kind of just reiterates the points that they've said before. And realistically, I mean, it's all about execution now. They just need to put their heads down. The numbers will speak for themselves. But this might be even a clue that we could see an updated, maybe this was just an interim updated corporate presentation, and they had hoped to release the CPG partner news. But my belief is that they wanted to release the CPG partner news, but the whole MJ sector is in the dumps. I personally think it's Kellogg's Canada. We know that they just ended a strike. Kellogg's Canada's location is right next to HEXO's facility as well. So just reading between the lines there. But some little birdies told me, again, I don't know for sure, but if I was a betting man, I would say that it's Kellogg's Canada. And like I said, if that strike delayed things, it might be wise to not release any positive news just yet, because it's probably going to get absorbed by this brutal bear market that we're in. So until we see the whole sector reverse, I think it's a smart move on HEXO's part. So like I said, maybe this was just a, get the corporate presentation out there, whip something together, so to speak, get it out there, and then we'll release the new one once we get the new CPG partner news released. Like I said, they're under an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, so they can't release that until the official launch. And just think back to when Molson Coors partnered with HEXO, right? It was over, I think it was about 2 years from the time we found out that they were partnering, from the time we found out about the products, and we actually saw the products available for purchase. So go check out that corporate presentation. Like I said, a little lackluster, but I would expect another presentation to come in short order. Like I said, if we see that CPG partner update here in the next couple of weeks, maybe months, again, I'm not worried. I have full faith in HEXO. I knew that they were going to continue to go down this path of powered by HEXO, right? And this is just one avenue that we can pursue. We have trusts with Molson Coors. We've got all these positive catalysts from U.S. legalization. We have possible EBITDA positive again coming in March Q2, and then a possibility for EPS positive in operations. So we should see profitability from operations at some point over the next 4 quarters. So going to end it there. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel on your way out, and we'll see you in the next video.